Welcome back to Creative Visualization and Ideas for Wellbeing. I'm Martha Thompson. I hope you've been finding the lessons useful so far. Today's video is called I Wish You Well. It is intended to be helpful for those of you who are undergoing some sort of medical treatment and those of you who might be recuperating from an illness, an operation, or preparing for surgery. However, you can still do this visualization if you are well. I would also recommend that you evaporate 1 drop of lavender essential oil combined with 1 drop of rose geranium essential oil in a tablespoon of water using a burner. Alternatively, if you are pregnant, then use 2 drops of frankincense essential oil in a tablespoon of water. Prepare this a few minutes before the visualization starts, so the room will be infused with these wonderful aromas. But you can still do this visualization without the use of essential oils. Now, this video is not meant to replace the direction of your medical doctor or medication. It simply serves as a psychological boost for your body, mind and spirit, because when they are in sync, we are balanced. So as I always say, you matter. And by doing this exercise, you are taking care of yourself. So well done. So, at a time and place, you will not be disturbed, sitting upright with your feet firmly on the floor, with your hands resting on your lap, with your palms turned upwards, or lying down flat on your back, with your arms at your side, with your palms turned upwards. And when you are comfortable, I shall now begin. Now let your eyes close and take a deep breath and hold it for a moment and then let it out. See all the tension leave you as a grey mist that disappears in the air around you. Then take a second deep breath. Hold it for a moment and let it all out. And see the tension leave you as a grey mist that disappears in the air around you. And take a last and deep final breath and hold it and let it all out with a sigh. All your tension has now gone. You are relaxed. Let my voice go with you to a magical and healing place. Through your mind's eye, you are walking through a wooden archway interwoven with beautiful roses. You are now standing in a beautiful rose garden. It is magnificent. It is early in the morning and you are alone. You feel safe within the walled rose garden enclosed with luscious greenery. The air is rich with their fragrance. It is deliciously intoxicating. You feel giddy with happiness and you are glad to be alive as you look up
into a clear blue sky and at the early morning sun. The weather is perfect with a cool breeze. It is summertime and the morning sunlight is dazzling. There is an assortment of colours all around you. Red, peach, pink, white, yellow, orange and violet roses in different varieties. Most are grown in circular or long rectangular flower beds, but some are growing along the wall on trellises, while some have grown into large bushes. You approach a flower bed full of peach-coloured roses. They are in full bloom, with open cup petals that look like delicate satin. You bend down to smell a peach rose. It smells of rose water, pear, elderflower and musk. Magical. A feeling of love rises in your chest and you feel blissful. You follow the brown cobbled pathway through the rose beds to the centre of the rose garden, where, to your surprise, you find a lectern supporting the biggest book you've ever seen. It is covered with dark brown leather that looks very aged. It is open wide. To your surprise, on the page, it has written your full name across it. This book is the story of your life so far this year and instructs you to do the following. Close your eyes and see yourself well. Remember how you felt before with every fibre of your being. Picture in your mind, what does being well look like? Picture in your mind, what does being well feel like? Picture your friends and family supporting you being well. Picture in your mind what you do when you are well. Now picture your face when you are well and happy, and put a golden frame around it. Hold on to this feeling. Your face lights up with optimism and hope as you sit on a large boulder behind the lectern, thinking about all the things you will do when you are well. You feel the solidness and stability of the boulder beneath you. It is supporting your body, and you feel reassured and comforted. Suddenly, you feel a warm, comforting sensation coming from the boulder beneath you. It has become a glowing golden ball, and you have become charged with an incredible force that energizes you. You have the will to get well and to live your life to the fullest. You now notice that your body has changed. You have become an energetic blueprint of your body, made of pure colored light in your favorite color, sitting on top of the boulder. You scan your body from your feet upwards. You can see dark patches in your energy body. They represent unbalanced energy, and they need to be removed for you to feel balanced. The midday sun appears above your head and sends golden light down through your head, filling it completely. It then sweeps down the rest of your body. It lasers away painlessly any dark patches of unbalanced energy in your body until you are completely your favorite color from head to toe, without dark patches of unbalanced energy. You now stand up, and your solid body has been reinstated. As you look around, you notice the colours of the roses seem much brighter, more beautiful, and their fragrance stronger. You too feel revitalized and stronger at the core of your being. Hold on to this feeling and feel balanced and peaceful. It is now time to leave, but you can return to the rose garden to help you on your healing journey whenever you need to. You now become aware of your breathing. Rub your hands together. Wriggle your toes. Open your eyes and be wide awake.